Hi everybody, we're continuing on in some of our tutorial series. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about how to do batch fill entries in your gradebook, and this is useful when you have to enter the same grade over and over and you just don't want to have to continue to type it. So I have a column here in my gradebook. It's not published or posted yet, but I've got some blank spaces because I'm going to be filling in some grades. Now, since I'm filling in all the same grade, I'd like to not have to type it over and over again. It just reduces that redundancy. This particular assignment was a check, check plus, check minus. You may or may not recall from prior tutorials that if you go to the grading tab on the left here, I can scroll down and it shows me check plus, check, check minus, and these are the shortcut keys. So for me, for the remaining grades that I have yet to enter, they're all check pluses, so Q is my shortcut key. So I'll click done there just as my little reminder. Now that I'm over at my gradebook, back again, I know this column needs to be filled, so I've got my cursor here. I'm going to right click, and when I right click I can see batch entry, current column. Now in this case, I'm not looking to replace a particular grade, but you certainly could do that if you knew that you had something that needed to be replaced with another grade. You could do that. In this case, I am asking that if you find a blank, I want you to replace it with that code which we said was Q. All right, so if it could have been, if there was an 80, you could replace it with a 90, or if they were all check, you could replace them all with a check plus. In this case, I want it to find all the empty cells and replace them with that particular code. So that's my choice here. Again, you could also fill an entire column if you wanted that to be the case as well. So I'm going to click OK. It'll say yes. And then I should notice that those will all fill in, which you can see here. It's filled in now, my entire column, and I'm all set.